Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create welcome messages in Chatfuel in 2026. If you want to greet new users automatically and improve engagement on your Facebook or Instagram chatbot, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Chatfuel account. Next, select the chatbot you want to edit from your dashboard. Now go to the Flows or Automation section inside Chatfuel. Next, click on the default welcome message block or create a new flow for greetings. Now write a friendly welcome message that introduces your business or chatbot clearly. Next, add buttons or quick reply options so users can easily navigate to different sections like support, pricing, or services. Now personalize the message by adding the user's name if Chatfuel supports dynamic variables. Next, set the welcome message as the default starting point for new conversations. Now test your chatbot by sending a message to ensure the welcome flow appears correctly. Finally, publish your changes so the welcome message becomes active for all new users. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create welcome messages in Chatfuel. Your chatbot can now greet users automatically and guide them smoothly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.